Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the simplest path. If you have YouTube Premium, background play is built in. Otherwise, plan the Safari desktop workaround. Once done, open the YouTube app or Safari and locate the music video or playlist you want. Make sure your ringer is on and volume set to a listenable level. Keep the app tab active while you prepare the next steps. This saves time because you won't need to repeat searches after switching apps or locking the screen. If you use YouTube Premium, simply play the track and leave the app. The audio continues. That's why Premium is easiest. For the Safari method, open YouTube. Request the desktop site, start the video, then tap the picture-in-picture icon so the video shrinks. Once Pi-P appears, swipe home or tap elsewhere. Make sure audio continues by checking Control Center's playback widget. If Pi-P didn't appear, refresh and retry the desktop site flow. This middle step is the delicate part that enables background audio. Now lock the screen. Audio should keep playing in background. If it stops, don't panic. Unlock, open Control Center, and press play on the playback widget. That usually resumes background audio. Make sure low power mode isn't pausing background activity, and confirm app permissions if using Safari. As a final troubleshooting tip, restart your iPhone or update iOS and the YouTube app. This resolves most persistent problems and restores reliable background playback when the screen is off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.